Hi guys, welcome to Java in Bits and Bytes. So the idea behind this channel is to learn the practical implementation of Java in real world scenarios. So today we'll be seeing how we can create a Docker image of a Spring Boot application. Yeah, let's get started. So just to save some time, I have already created a Spring Boot application called as cards. And yeah, this is the Spring Boot application. This is the main class. As you can see, it's annotated with Spring at the Spring Boot application. And also, as you can see, this is the pom.xml file. Okay, and since I'm using in-memory database called as H2 just to store some data. Also, I'm using Lombok for annotations. Okay, to reduce the boilerplate code, and yeah. So basically, to create a Docker image of any application, any Spring Boot application mainly, you can do it in two ways. One is by creating a Docker file in this inside this cards project, the main folder, and you can just mention what all has to be written, like for example from Java or OpenJDK 17, get this and that, like that you can mention. Otherwise, the other way is like using build packs. So basically, in if you want to do using build packs, it's very easy. Like you just need to mention a plugin, that is Spring Boot Maven plugin. Okay, like I have already mentioned it here. And also after this, you also need to mention like an image name that you need to configure. Basically, it just says that the image which will be created by uh, using this cards project will be named after this. So in my case, it's bank slash artifact ID. Artifact ID I have given as cards. So the image which will be generated will be named as bank slash cards. So so this is the only thing which you need to like configure basically. And after that, you just need to run a command called as maven spring boot build image. So basically, what this command does is like it builds the project and it creates a Docker image of this project basically. So by using the build pack, so it downloads some of the um, libraries from the Docker from the GitHub, and it creates a what to say an image basically. If you're running it for the first time, it takes some time as it is. It has to download some images from the Docker Hub. So you just need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, until it happens, okay, I'll just show you the Docker Docker desktop. Okay, and if you see here, there is currently there's no container. Also, as well as in the images, there's no image. Okay, if you, I'm just refreshing it. Okay, just to see if there's any image or any container in. Okay, you can't see any image, but once this is completed, right? You can see the new image will be generated here, and I'll just show you. Okay, let it get completed now. Okay, so the build is completed now. It took around 6 minutes as it had to download everything. So, yeah, as you can see here now, the image is generated with the name docker.io slash banks slash cards with tag as latest. So tag helps in identifying the images generated with the same name. Okay, so as we can see, also yeah, we can check the same in the Docker desktop. Okay, as here you can see, there are like three images got generated. Two are related to the paketo.buildpacks. Buildpacks is nothing but the one which helps in creating the Docker image. and this one image is of bank slash cards which we just created. Okay, and yeah, and if you want to start this, you can directly start it from the Docker desktop by using run, or else if you want to uh, start it from the command, then you can use the command like Docker. Okay, before that, I'll just do Docker PS just to check if there's any instance running. Okay, no, doc images. Okay, Docker run minus P. Okay, I'll just check the port in which we have mentioned it. Uh, Properties. Okay, we are using 9000, right? So I'll be using the 9004. I'll be running it in 9000. Mm. And I'll just give the um name. Okay, bank slash cards. Okay, so yeah, so the it's running the Spring Boot application got started in on port 9000. If you want to check it, what we can do is like I can hit this controller to check if it is running fine or not. So I'll be using Postman to hit it. So this is the localhost 9000. This is the cards, and in the body I have provided the customer object with customer ID as one. Okay, and if I hit and send, okay, so we are getting the result and all the card details the customer has. So that means we have successfully created a Docker image and we are running the Docker image also. And if you want to see verify it in Docker desktop, you can see it's mentioned as in use. That means the application is running. Last started 59 seconds ago. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so that's it for today. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.